What is up, guys? Making a quick little video here showing you guys where you guys can find the paint code for GM vehicles. I'm going to be showing you guys in this 2019 Dually GMC Denali. They're typically passenger side glove box department. If you open that, that paint code, that's the paint code right there. A lot of people struggle on older cars like this Cadillac. On this Cadillac, it may be in the glove box department, it may not. Let's check it out. As you can tell, it's not there. Other places it can be is in the trunk. So I'll show you guys where it would be if it was located in the trunk. So let's take this mat off. It's gonna be by your spare tire. And it's as you can tell, it's right there. That's the paint code. Alright, I got a couple more vehicles that I want to show you guys where the paint code is. This is a Chevy Tahoe. The paint code on this one should be in the glove box department once again. It's right there. 8624. Just your typical white, Chevy white. This is gonna be the last one. It's a Chevy Colorado 2017. Same thing with this one. Glove box department. Paint code should be right there. Last thing, if you're using Paint Manager to look up your paint, you have to always insert WA and then the paint code, which would be 8624 for that basic white. Then Chevrolet, the big white. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope that helped you guys find the paint code for some Chevy vehicles. I'll catch you guys on the next one.